Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to add a YouTube subscribe overlay without using any green screen using Clipchamp. So let's get started. I've got a clip loaded into my timeline right here and it's pretty short, just a short cinematic sequence. And let's say I want to add a subscribe overlay to the bottom right of the screen. To get started, I'm going to go over to the content library, which we can find on the left-hand side of our screen right here. It should be the third option. And the content library comes with a lot of options and uh, stock items to be able to choose from. So in this case, let's go ahead and search for subscribe. It's already one of the trending searches, so it shouldn't be that hard. Simply click on the search bar at the top and click on subscribe. Let's hit enter, and now we should see a lot of options. And what we're interested in are these ones, the stickers by Jiffy. They're usually the cleanest ones to use. So as you can see, there are a lot of animated ones to choose from. Yeah, there are a lot of animated ones to choose from, and it's really easy to find one you like and add it to your video. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this plus button that says add to timeline when I mouse over something I like, and now it's been added to the timeline. So now we making sure that the playhead is right above where it is in our timeline. We can move this around and resize it and position it wherever we want on our video. So if we go ahead and watch that portion through, it's fully animated, already blends in quite seamlessly, both in and out. Or actually, this one doesn't have an outro animation. So let's go ahead and add that. I'm going to add a fade out by 3 seconds, 0.3 seconds. And now it should have a smooth exit. Yep, there we go. So as you can see, that only took us a few seconds and we didn't have to use any green screen footage. So this is really great. This is a really great feature to be familiar with because it can save you a lot of time and a lot of headaches in the future. And this also isn't just limited to the subscribe overlay. There are plenty of other overlays that are available here in the content library in Clipchamp. So I highly recommend you also do a little bit of exploring. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.